Hey, what's going on, Special? So on this mission here, back in Mafia 3, where we left off, we done the optional thingy-majiggers into a time lapse, and fuck it, let's just go left to right. Maria's looking for help. She cares about to help someone she cares about. I need someone with your skills to assist. Well, duh, I'm like the best, so of course everyone needs my skills. But the reason I haven't been as active or anything is because for the past little bit, been having some family problems. Oh, been dealing with that, and I was trying to do some scary games, but the recording software is not wanting to be cooperative with scary games, or when it is, it's like really long and tedious stuff, and it's just scary games aren't wanting to work. But if you guys have any good scary games that you want to see me play that's short and not really tedious tasks, let me know. I'd love to give them a shot and play them for you guys.
You're not what I expected.
What the fuck's that supposed to mean?
This was a mistake. I don't want any trouble.
Someone told me you work at the dump, that you might have information for me. Now, your name's Maria, right?
Mm-hmm. Maria Bava. I've only been at the dump a couple of months. Accounts receivable. I know. Glamorous. Paul Simmons runs the place. Everybody calls him Puppy, though. You've got to stop him.
Stop him from doing what?
Dumping waste in the bay, extorting drivers from other garbage companies, but
That's not the worst thing they're doing, is it?
Mister, they're killing people. Puppy, Mr. Simmons doesn't know how to keep his voice down on the phone, but he was arguing with one of the cleaners, kept saying how they'd been paid to get rid of somebody.
You know when these cleaners will be around?
No, but some of the other guys who work for the dump might.
I'll chase down information on these cleaners, along with the rest of the dump's business. It's gonna be all right, Maria. You did the right thing.
Mr. Simmons' people might know more about the illegal dumping and the bodies.
Alright, so we gotta do $50,000 damage to the dump. We can't be having them dumping people and doing illegal things now, can we? That's our job. Like, you're messing on Lincoln Clay's territory, bruh. And I don't appreciate it. I love how the cops, they just don't care. The only time I've been busted by the cops for anything at all is when I actually hit them or they see me witness, like punching somebody or something stupid like that. Running red light, speeding, or anything like that back in the first or the second Mafia game, they just don't care about. Which I don't get it, because that was kind of the point of Mafia in a way. You gotta be careful not to be speeding around cops. You gotta keep your gas tank filled. That was a cool thing that I thought was cool about it. They actually had a gas tank implementation in Mafia 2. But then they got rid of all that stuff. I probably don't want to just drive through here. Sneaky beaky like. So there's a guy right over here who's all alone. Yeah, stop slacking. I'll put the effort in. Oh, you shut the fuck up, boy. I'll murder you next. Click and bam! This guy was coming in here. What you got in here? Ooh, weapons. Nah. Are you someone I need to be worried about? Nope. You're just a worker. Alright, you don't see anything.
For Christ's sake, we're paying you by the hour.
Where you got your kids? We're busting them to St. Landry right now, but Cecilia's pushing me to get them into our own.
Haha, you dead, son.
The fuck is that? Frisco Fields. It's new. It's run by the White Christian Coalition. Ain't that one of them Southern Union groups?
Alright, so there's people up there. I'm taking your money. And you are gonna say absolutely nothing about it.
See, that pretty much sounds like it's completely about.
How do I get up here?
I don't think I'm explaining it.
Oh, there's a sentry right there.
I'm sure that's the problem.
Oh, you turned.
Would you just move on?
You shut up. You're not alerting anyone of my presence here. No one shall know about Lincoln Clay here. Alright, how do I get in this place? Hello? Oh, hey, there's a tunnel. But that's not how I get... Bruh, actually, how do I get in? Hello? Do I got to go through here? Alright, how do I get up there then? Sultan is pretty confuzzled. Oh, here's some stairs. I don't think that leads to where I need to be, though. Hello? I like how these workers, they just don't care.
Chop, chop, let's go. We got a schedule to keep.
No, I can't even get up there from here. Oh, this is long. Alright. Found the first set of staircases. Finally. Hello? Don't mind me, I'm nobody. Hey bro, how's it going? There's a ladder. Oh hey, here's a sniper. But nah. I'm gonna take the sneaky beaky approach. Kill everyone in my way.
This done today, ladies. Come on, how about stepping it up?
Your body's falling through the guardrail. I feel sorry for you. Not really. You got in my way, and you shouldn't have. Alright, so there's a worker right there. And you? Don't mind me, just walking around. I'll take that money. I'll take this money, I'll take that money. You got a lot of money lying around the office here, miss. And I will gladly be taking all of it. As long as nobody spots me and wants to try and kill me, then we will be fine. Do 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 do. Are you someone I need to be afraid of? You? Yes, you are. If not, you're dead anyway. Ooh, we're planting explosives, huh? You're dead. F. Got it. Run! Hutto needs the chest. Go, 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 go. Get the fuck out of here. Hey, buddy. I know you're just a worker and everything, so you might want to get the fuck out of here as well. Oh, no. Too late. Bye-bye. Alright, so the dump has been sabotaged. I like how it says combat, like you guys are going to come and... Why will I go there? Might as well go here. Closer. Hey, buddy. Don't mind me, I'm just hauling ass out of here. Nothing. That explosion you just seen? Yeah, that wasn't me. I have no clue what you're talking about. Skirt. Alright, time to go interrogate somebody. That's gonna hurt. Oh! Spider-Man. Spider-Man. See, this is why you don't fuck with Lincoln Clay. He'll just scale down the side of a vertical thing. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I know I'm trespassing in the garbage dump, or the barge docks. Whatever.
Let's see how that it all plays out.
Come here. Bye-bye. Bye bye.
Huh?
You see nothing.
Belong here.
Who, me? You seen nothing. You stay over there. I know this guy's gonna come searching for me. And you shouldn't have, because now you dead.
Balls! Look who we got here. Come on, son. This is my chance. Taking
Shut
a
up.
shot.
Get down on the ground.
You're gonna tell me everything Puppy's up to at the dump.
Oh, after
Yeah,
what you
yeah.
did, those twisted motherfuckers are hunting your ass down. Ain't no way you can shake them.
I don't care.
Rest in peace, asshole.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Ow. Bye bye.
Run for cover.
Ow. Oh, what now? Just got an achievement. Combat specialist. Yay! I did that. I did that with my mind. Not really. It's brute strength. But so no, never mind. I'm already in it. Never mind. I was gonna take the dump to be indiscreet, but whatever. This works too. So now we gotta steal the money stash. Ow. That's a strong tree branch. Motherfucker about killed me. But you cannot. Fuck off. Cannot kill Lincoln Clay that easily. Man, I just pulled out of the freaking drive. The car is already looking pretty bad. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. So how much money we getting? We already got $9,000. Those are some strong boxes. Alright, we're at hazardous storage now. Where's a regular door I can enter? Right. No, can't enter that door. Hello? Wow, there's a lot of people I need to kill. Bug it, going for it. Hayoken. Got it. No. Hayoken. No. Die. Wait, where'd this guy go? He's over here. Yo! Sorry, you guys are probably just... Cheating bastard thinks I don't know that I haven't been watching where he goes at night. He'll leave Royal around 11. You can get him then. I don't care how you do it. Just make sure it looks like it's good for the insurance. No, I don't want to read that. I just want the money. No. Stop it. No. Money. Fuck off. It's saying F for the money. That's all I care about, the money. I don't care about your little note that I've already read. Wait, where's this money? There's the money. The money.
Huh? Here! Over here! Time to die!
It ain't time for me to die. I'm a war veteran, boys. Shouldn't fuck with me. I was hoping to do this all sneaky deaky like, but nah. Thank you. Alright, where are you at? Are you up there? Try not to fret, share. Everything's going to be just fine. We'll work out some sort of arrangements and I pay this off together. I love you to the moon and back. Your loving wife, Susie. Aww. Susie, you seem like a loving and caring person. Hopefully I didn't just murder your husband, but if I did, it won't lose me any sleep at night either. Shut up. I don't know who that is, but shut up. Give me the money. Oh, I gotta hold it, right. Woo! $10,000. Alright, where's this prick at? You alright in there?
Ditch me?
No, you're just kind of...
This fucker has me trapped!
Well, yeah, well, not really me. You're just trapped. Look, I'm gonna take this. Oh, shit! You got out. Fuck you. I was expecting for him to stay in there. What are we doing now? Alright, we got another person to kill. And once we kill this guy, it'll be just easy. Yes. There's probably some stuff that I could... Oh, shit. Hi, guys. How's it going? You want to come after me, huh? I don't want the target. Bye-bye. I need to get more ammo for my guns. I don't have very much left. At first I thought that was the engine smoking that black smoke, but nope, it's just a diesel. I forgot about that. Mr. Honeysuckle, your time has come, young Padawan. Off-roaded! Oh, fuck off with that shit. Fine. I'll just walk. Hut to, hut to, hut to. It'd be nice if I had my sniper, though. I could help. Could have helped. Come on. This mountain's not that steep. Where are you at? There you are. There's a lot of peoples. Are all of them my enemies, though? Oh, come on. That wasn't much of a fall. Alright, I'll just wait for my health. Alright, so all of them are bad guys. Fuck. This is gonna be fun. Do 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 do.
I can feel that hole in my sock getting bigger.
I'm sure you can.
Go for a drink or five. Huh? I think
Or
we got
5.
trouble.
I think you're right. You do got trouble.
Hey, who's there?
No one. Shut up.
Okay, that didn't sound right.
No, it didn't.
Holy shit. This feels like forever.
It is forever. Because your time is coming,
bro.
buddy.
Hey, you okay? Fuck. Over there.
Shut up.
We're living the dream, ain't we?
So both of you are bad guys. So if I just sneak around back to this one over here,
Ain't this fun?
then these guys won't be...
Say goodnight to
Oh, come on! Ow, 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 ow.
little pissant. This ain't fair. I'm harmless.
No, no, you're not. This ain't good. This ain't good at all.
Let me at him. There he is.
Hit this stupid kid. Thank you.
I don't fucking miss.
Die.
Fucking eyeballing him right now.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
It's all him. Let's go.
That was almost very bad. Come on, peek your little stupid head up. Stop crouching. Get up there. What do we got? Alright.
Here we go.
Damn it. Quit moving. How you walking? I missed. Darn it. Oh, that long shot though. Woohoo! Got it. Alright, how about we hop in the truck and we get the fuck out of here? I'm gone. See ya. Have a good day. Or don't. I really don't care. I'm just getting out of here before I die. Because I don't like dying. Dying hurts. It hurts a lot.
You've really done a number on the dump. Scared the hell out of everybody there.
Yep, that's what I do.
Mr. Simmons let me go today.
You sound happy about it.
Apparently they're having trouble with the business and he can't afford to pay me. But truth be told, I'm glad to be out of there, away from that place.
Is Puppy at the dump now?
Yeah, why? What are you gonna do? Are you gonna kill him?
All depends
Yeah?
on Puppy. I'll be seeing you, Maria.
Can I steal your car? Just like gank your car and get the fuck out of here? No? Alright. Oh, puppy. I'm gonna roll up into this cop car and then bounce out. Fuck your cop car. Oh, they don't care. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I wasn't expecting that light to stop me. Die. Ow. Ow.
Attention all units. Suspect location is Barclay Mills.
I gotta make stuff harder than it needs to be, I really do. You gotta keep it fun, know what I mean?
Responding unit. Visual
Uh-oh.
contact with suspect lost.
Yeah, stay back there. I definitely did not just go down this only road that's this way. Not at all. Just stay back there and leave me alone. You got flat tires. I don't know how many. Probably 2. I'm just waiting for them to pop. They're getting squirrely on me. That's all I can hear in my ears right now. Is just. Why would you station yourself at the dump when I blew it up? Get out of my way. Uh-oh. You're not gonna recognize me, are you? Perfect parking. Not at all, but, you know. That's beside the point. Shh. Hello. Goodbye. It's nice knowing you. Not really. He's kind of a dick. I bet he's upstairs. That he is. Oh, hiccups. Go away. Alright, money. I am taking the sniper now. Just in case. Hopefully I don't need it. But in case I do, then I'll have it. Alright, so the guy needs all the way over there. And of course, uh-oh, there's a few people. Only one of you heard that. Yes. Give me patty. Now the other one, I'll just be able to go up and be like, yeah.
All units, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrols. Repeat, pursuit is called off. Abandon search and return to patrols.
I love how the cops don't talk to each other. Okay.
This guy's killing our people. Enzo's gonna want to know what...
Fuck Enzo. Sal Marcano called here not 10 minutes ago. Told me come hell or high water, I'm to keep this place running. He better not hear otherwise.
Jesus Christ.
Ain't nothing to fret about. We deal with that nigger and old Sal will do right by us.
Oh.
You'll see.
Yeah, but see, the issue with that is... Are you a bad guy too? Fuck, you are. Alright. So... Shit. Someone's walking up on us. This could be bad. Are you good? You're gonna stay right there. I'm gonna kill you.
Fuck me.
And you are all done.
Fuck me. I'm gonna fuck it and die in a dump.
And even that's too good for you.
Oh. You got fucked on, son. Do I have to assign it to Cassandra? Oh no. I can figure out who I want to do it to. Alright, so silence pistol and increased air ammo capacity. Vito. Next call to Vito's associates will be on the house. Or run and swim longer and recover health faster. I can bribe the cops if I assign it to Burke. But if I assign it to Vito, I get more money. Yeah, what about this? Yeah, we'll assign it to Vito first. Because Vito's a man. Why is your dog tag sticking out your back?
I ain't letting this place go.
Yeah, no problem. My guys are on their way. We're gonna keep this district locked down good and tight. Just don't get amnesia or some shit about who kept things running over here.
Yeah, I know Vito got my back. Alright, I need to get my ammo and stuff back restocked, and then that will be it for this episode. Come on with this cutscene. I don't need to see it every time.
The investigation was a mess from the very start. The locals did everything they could to keep us out of it, but that wasn't the worst of it. Someone actually broke into our offices and not only stole all of our files, but they also took most of our surveillance equipment.
So you got fucked, is what you're saying. Move forward. There we go. Get Enzo Conti. I will, just not right now. I need to talk to my guy. No. Well, I do need conciliars. But I also need
Requesting a supply
arms
run to
dealer.
Barclay Mills.
Be out directly.
I will love that. Just be like, alright, you're gonna come take the money I have and get the money from all my districts too.
Better not lose this.
Here's how business is done here.
$67,000 now. Woo, buddy. Alright. Can we get any special weapons yet? No. Fine. Fuck you too. I didn't want it anyway. Dude, there's a night vision one. Huh. 63.93. Now see, this one's better. And more ammo capacity. At one point... No. I'm gonna stick with automatic ones. Because... Man, I had one of these. All I would have to do is ammo for it. That sucks. Full powered rifle. It's better fired in bursts. I don't like bursts. So I'm going to keep this. Full on ammo. And then I guess I'm going to buy this. Because it's nice to have instead of just a regular crappy thing. Can I get vehicle mods yet? Nope. Supply, motherfucker. I'll get Tac Vest. Alright.
I'm heading out.
That'll be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do show the love down below. Over drop the like button, roundhouse subscribe button, become a specialist yourself. Comment down below what other games you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta for now.